Welcome to Geminiano Cozzi Venezia 1765 showroom. I'm Valentina, in charge of business development for this Venetian brand, and I will guide you through the discovery of our most significant collections. The tradition collections of Geminiano Cozzi Venezia present faithful reproductions of shapes and original handcrafted decorations that have made the history of the Venetian manufacture. The historical archive of the Manifattura Cozzi offers an incredible range of creative opportunities, still timely even today. Our products are developed in fine bone porcelain, the top-of-the-range porcelain, elegant, translucent, chip-resistant and lightweight. The Chinesi Fiori Finiti collection by Geminiano Cozzi stands out for its Imari-inspired floral motif, typical of Japanese porcelain in orange red, blue, light blue and gold. On the rim, orange koi carp fishes, which are considered to be a good luck charm in Asian culture. Another historic collection is called Carte da Zogo, playing cards, a portrait of 18th century social life when a number of gambling halls and casinos flourished in Venice. The rare yellow background of this collection is adorned with playing cards, scattered over much of the surface, together with flying multicolored butterflies. Furthermore, we offer a fine bone porcelain collection of signature plates and B&B plates, which will add color and will enhance your table with original decorations from the 18th century. Foglie de tabacco, tobacco leaves, depicted in a variety of colors, green, purple, yellow and blue, perfect background for a purple peony next to a bunch of red carnations. A unique and very precious decoration, realized in 18 different colors and pure gold. In addition, we have Striche Oro, golden stripes, a minimalistic floral design in tones of red, blue and gold. Signature plates measure 33 cm, B&B plates 15 cm, and they can be purchased also in luxurious gift packages. Just a few of the tradition collections from Geminiano Cozzi Venezia 1765 for you to enjoy, show off in prestigious events, and flaunt on the richest and most refined tables.